Hello train lovers! Welcome to my channel, this is Spacious Travels. Exciting news! Caltrain is getting brand new super efficient electric trains to replace its old diesel ones. This is all part of Caltrain electrification. These electric trains are going to make the commute even better by increasing speed, capacity, safety, and comfort. Plus, they will help reduce emissions and make the air quality much better. Caltrain is planning to replace 75% of its diesel fleet with the new electric trains to operate along the San Francisco to San Jose route. Get over there on the train. Walk the train. According to the website, here are some highlights in the vision for 2024. So hello train lovers, here we are again. We're inside of the new Caltrain. Look how modern, you can smell. I wish you were here, you could smell like how nice it is. It smells like a nice car. We got nice padded chairs, nice areas for conversation. We also have a nice bathroom. I even was able, with the invitation, I got this passport that confirms that I have been here on this day of the release. So this is so much fun. We're gonna experience the new and the old in this channel. So it is something very modern. Right? Everybody wants to know the bathroom. Let's see how that looks.